Open it, Mommy. I made the money all by myself.
But this gift took Lily 2 whole weeks to earn. She worked hard as she had her wall started 14 days ago.
Lily, eat your breakfast. I have to leave for work in 5 minutes. Mommy, do you know what day is coming soon?
What day, baby? Mother's Day.
Oh, sweetheart. You do not need to do anything for Mother's Day.
Having you is the best gift I could ever have. You deserve something special.
Wait, your mom will be here soon.
Good morning, my little sunflower. How is my favorite granddaughter?
Grandma, I need your help, Bingo. Mother's Day is a tail-warping out bread.
There is a beautiful necklace at the mall.
I have 70 cents.
Then you need $20.
I know. And how will work for it? Like Mommy does. I'm going to work like a grown-up.
Your mother works 2 jobs to take care of you. If you want to work, help you find jobs. But you have to do the work. Deal?
What jobs can an 8-year-old do? I cannot drive a car. I cannot be a doctor. 2, water flowers. 3, 5 jobs. Wait, 4 dogs job is fun shop, but that's had enough.
Yes, the man is party, sweetheart.
Time to find customers.
I am coming with you for safety.
And for moral support. Hello, my name is Lily. I am saving money for a Mother's Day gift.
Can I help you, Lily dear?
Can I help you with anything for Mother's Day?
Maybe later, Lily. Nobody wants my help, Grandma. Maybe this was a bad idea.
What? She tried again next, then I will change it.
Good morning, Mrs. Kim. Can I rake your leaves?
Watch it well, please. And wait, when you are done, I have fresh cinnamon cookies for you.
Come on, leaves. Stay in the pile now.
You worked very hard, Lily. Here is your $2 and some cookies for energy.
$2.70. Only best cookies ever, Mrs. Kim.
Ah, the little girl with the flyers. You want to work?
Yes, Mr. Pablo.
Can you help me carry flower pots from the back room to the front?
They are heavy. Whew, those.
Careful with the daisies. They are delicate.
I am a worker.
You earned it. You are a good worker, Lily.
Tell me, what are you saving for?
That is the most a gift for my mom. Take this to freak your mom. Give just your perco.
2 plus 3 plus 70 cents, $5.70. I am getting closer. Wait for me, little necklace. I am coming for you. A man at the flower shop gave this to you. His name know the best you
Rose. Because I told him and you not know what else my name, don't worry.
Slow down, Snowball. I am the one walking you, not the other way around. $7.70. Okay, the flowers are watered. $9.70. Almost halfway.
Thank you, dear. You are very strong.
Oh, thank you. These are heavy. $11.70.
$11.70. $8.30 more. You can do this, Lily. For Mommy.
Lily, do you want to go to the park after school? We are going to build the biggest mud castle ever!
I cannot, Dork.
Work! You are reminding my Mother's Day. Work!
Pray. Wonderful job, dears. Here, Ben. One for you.
Hey, no! This is your gift. Keep it.
1, 2, 3, $14.70. 5 miles less. Can Mother's Day. I can says it hurts. $17.70. So close, just a little bit more.
How is the $2 more?
You are almost there. I will finish tomorrow. Mr. Pablo, do you have any more work for me? I need $2 more.
Can you help me write the names on these gift cards? My handwriting is terrible.
$19.70. 29 cents.
What is wrong? Your Mother's Day is tomorrow. He said it would bring me low.
I command for I say score. Grandma, are you sure this is from Grandpa?
I am sure. Your grandfather would be so proud of you, Lily. Thank you, Grandma Atlas.
Think 30 cents is pay gifts to your mother.
Please.
I would like to buy that necklace, please. Here you go.
$19 and exactly 20 cents. $20, perfect.
One heart necklace coming right up. Thank you, sir.
No, thank you. That is the most beautiful $20 I have ever received.
Tomorrow is the day. Okay, cereal first. Perfect. Now the juice. Whoa, steady now. Mommy, are you awake? I have a surprise.
Lily, what? It is 6 in the morning.
It is Mother's Day time. Open the door, but close your eyes first. Okay. Open your eyes.
Lily, what is all this?
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. The rose is from Mr. Pablo. The breakfast is from me. And the present, I earned the money myself.
Every hour leaves on perfect especially.
Do you like it, Mommy? The heart is because I love you. And the silver is because you are the strongest person I know.
Lily, this is the most beautiful thing anyone has ever done for me. You worked for 2 weeks for this? You work every day, Mommy. 2 weeks is nothing.
How did I get so lucky? How did I get you? Let me put it on you.
It is perfect, Lily. Absolutely perfect.
She did it?
She did.
She worked every single day for 2 weeks. Rain or sun, she never complained once.
She is 8 years old, Mom, and most adults I know.
Lily, will you say the blessing?
Thank you for this time, Mommy. Thank you for Mother's Day.
Amen. This is the best Mother's Day I have ever had.
Better than last year? I made you a card with glitter everywhere.
I am still finding glitter. But yes, better than last year. Lily, can I ask you something?
Anything, Mommy?
Did your hands hurt from all that work?
Yes, a little.
But I looked at your hands once while you were, so I kept going. These are the hands of the bravest girl I know.
I learned it from you, Mommy. You told me once, hard work means love.
So a necklace can break close to ever.
We heard about what Lily did. We wanted to celebrate the mom who raised such an amazing kid.
Why did the cookie go to the doctor? It's feeling crumbly.
I told you actually having her was the best gift. I was wrong. The best gift is not what we're sent. It is all of you.
Yeah.
Lily, promise me something.
What, Mommy?
You will always stay this kind. This brave.
This Heartwarming if you press surprise.
Deal. Good night, my little sunflower.
Good night, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day.
I will wear this every single day. Forever.
Mom wears the necklace every day. Every day. Every moment. The heart necklace is always there.
That is a pretty necklace. Where did you get it?
My daughter bought it for me. She was 8 years old. She raked leaves, walks, carried dogs. She ate 20 her.
She is incredible.
Lily learned that the best gifts are not given. Mom learned that she was raising Dean the most beautiful love for it. Because love is not just a feeling, it is an action. $20, 2 weeks, one 8-year-old girl, and the most powerful force in the universe, Vermont. You are seen, you are loved, you are worth every penny.
Next week, a girl finds a letter hidden in a library book for 50 years.